Hello everyone, I am Jairam and in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can install Django on our local computer. So I have opened the official website of Django, which is djangoproject.com. So here you can download the latest version or the previous version, and here the different links you can see, download, and the latest version is already displaying 5.0.1 here. So I'm clicking on that. Now I'm on the download page, and here you can see there are two options to get Django from Django website. One is you can use pip command, and pip is one of the Python module through which we can get the packages, and Django here is as a package. Another option is that you can get the code itself, the code from Django repository through Git. So you can run the command git clone and get the development version of Django. So here I'm going to use this one, and you can see 5.0.1 version is the latest one which is released by Django, and you can also check the different versions of Django released in past years, and what are the future versions they are going to release. So we are on 5.0.1 version, which is in 2024 year, and in the future date also they have declared that when they are going to release the newer versions of Django. Some versions of Django are no longer supported by Django, so it's always good to install which you have the support from Django. It's okay, then I'm going to just copy this. I'm going to use to install Django through this pip command. So I'm copying this command, and I'm on terminal of my Mac system. If you are in Windows, you will have CMD, and if you are in Ubuntu, you definitely will have terminal. So I'm just pasting for the faster, so you can see. And one more thing, before installing this Django, make sure the Python version is later than 3.1.0. So let me check what is the version of my Python. It's a 3.1.2.1. So this is the latest version of Python, and its minimum requirement for Django 5.0.1 is the 3.1.0. So my Python satisfied what were required by Django to install. So let's install then. I'm pasting the command to install Django. Now it's installing. Wow, great. So it's successfully installed. Django successfully installed. And how I can check it's installed? I can see the message, but there are some command I can write, and I can confirm that Django and the required version I was looking for installed. So I can write here Python -m Django version. So you can see I'm getting the exact version of what I have installed through this Python command. And even if you are in programming section, if you are doing Python programming, you can check the version of the Django. You can do that like if you go to the CLI of Python. How you can go to the CLI, just type Python. I'm on the CLI, and here we have to import the Django, and how you can see the version, print Django dot get version. So now let us see. Yeah, the version installed is 5.0.1. So it's okay, we are all set, all good. Now let's quit from here, and we are now fine with Django successfully installed on my local computer. In the next video, we are going to see how we can create a project, start a project, and create applications in Django. Till then, thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video.